Okay, boys and girls, divorced dads and abandoned children, and anybody else who wants to make rice, Spanish rice, the easy way. I'm gonna lay it down for us. Okay? Simple steps. First thing we do is we pour a little bit of tomato juice on here. That should be enough. We throw in an onion, a little bit of garlic. It could be fresh garlic or it could be diced garlic, your choice. A little bit of salt. Maybe this is an 1/8 cup, but I'm not gonna fill it all the way. I'm gonna say maybe half of it or a little bit less than half. And then we fill it up with water. 500 milliliters, maybe 450, depending on your taste. For rice, this is pre-boiled rice from Costco. Put the good stuff in there. Add a little bit of corn in there. Stir it up. Bring it over here. Use our amazing Sur La Table rice cooker. Power, white rice. Done. See you guys next time. Look at this fluffiness. Beautiful Spanish rice. Ready?
10 out of 10.
Outro.